in action. We're back in the action, boys. Built in the basement once again. Girlfriend's upstairs gaming, and you know, everyone wants a girl gamer. You know, you can't knock them for it. So there we go. Basement. Sorry for the bad lighting. Also, thank you guys so much for all the support. You might notice views have gone down a little bit right now. It's because YouTube has been taking down a lot of my older videos. That doesn't really go up to code lately, which is pissing me off. So if you guys really want to help out, just with a thumbs up and comment, it really does help. It's helped before when we've been going through this, but it usually lasts a couple months, so I'd really appreciate that. Also, if you do that and we get 1,500 thumbs up within the day down below, I'm giving away a free gold chain, boys. I mean, it's a win-win situation. All you have to do is like and comment. Instagram's right here. Just message me once you did that. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. NameBran's a little hungover, by the way. And real quick, this video, of course, is brought to you by the company they call NameBranFam.com. Not a company, a website. Link is down below. What you guys can get on there is a bunch of jewelry that's real cheap that I picked out myself, hand-picked it all. From rings to watches to necklaces, we got it all, boys. Everything's free for the most part on the website. All I ask you to do is pay shipping, and actually you can add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So don't add 1 thing, add 2 things, get the best bang for your buck. And also, if you want to purchase an item that isn't free, you can also add a free item onto that one for free and pay the same shipping. I don't know. NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. Let's get into this video. I've been stoked for it, man. Let's go. Alright, boys. So like I said, I'm hungover today, but this says a lot. I never film when I'm hungover because I just feel like I'm not going to do a good job. But I've been waiting for this package for so long, boys. It just got in the mail today, so I'm super stoked. What we have in this box, it takes a little explanation here. Pretty much the cheapest diamond watch you're ever going to get that's real. Now, the diamonds aren't real on this, but the watch company that put it out, which is actually in fact G-Shock. I think my first picture ever was actually a G-Shock watch, my first cool one, so it holds like a special place in my heart for sure. G-Shock, the company, actually put this out with fake diamonds on it, so it's a real watch, real bust-down watch with diamonds, but it's fake diamonds. I don't know how to explain that anymore. So like pretty much what I'm trying to say, it's not a watch that some company bought and then put fake diamonds on. They actually released this themselves. So in my case, and this is how I think about it, you guys know I don't wear like the fake stuff, you know what I mean? In my case, this isn't fake because it's a real watch. You feel what I'm saying? So if it's a real watch and they put out the fake diamonds on it, then I can wear it. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I gotta check this thing out, man. It was like 180 bucks American, real cheap. I saw freaking FaZe Banks wearing it one time. If you know the FaZe team, I don't know him personally, but I have a lot of boys that are friends with him. Freaking, that'd be dope to meet that dude. But and next time in LA, hopefully. But I think he got one like this, although it was real. So they might have done 2 different versions, one with fake, one with real. I'm not exactly sure on that, but let's check it out, boys. 180 bucks for pretty much the cheapest real bust-down watch you can get. Although once again, they are fake diamonds, but we still going diamond tested though, man. We got the diamond tester here. You never know. With this thing, it's a piece of shit. It's like 20 bucks, you know? So sometimes fake diamonds pass this thing, and if it passes it, we'll know by the end of this video. Let's get into it, boys. Oh my god. Box right here. Let's just do it this way. I actually got this off Amazon, if you guys are wondering. Maybe I'll post a link down below. I think there's some affiliate link I could do with that, and I make money off it, but I'm not trying to. So just click the link. I'm not going to make any money. Here we go. We got the G-Shock. Okay, she's already coming out the package. Let's not do that. Oh my god. Alright, so this this is cool, man, because you guys know I don't have like a bust-down watch yet that's like real, so I'm not gonna wear it. But this one I feel like I could, let's just look at it right away. Boys, there it is right there. 180 bucks. First look, I mean, the G-Shocks, I don't know if you know this watch brand. It was real popular when I was like, I don't know, in high school or whatever, like 2012 type stuff. This thing right here, boys, it's sick. First, oh. I didn't think about that. Sometimes if you want to like resell things after, you need to have the case intact, but it's not, so that sucked. Anyway, boys, let's check it out. First look, this is something that you can tell people. It's like, yo, is that real? Yeah, it's real. If they have some real diamonds, I mean, you could lie if you want to, but yeah, it's a real watch. This thing is sick! Except, what the fuck is that? Never mind. Look at this. You see the G-Shock button? It's moving around in there. It's moving around. Looks like a freaking jelly bean in an empty jar. You can't be doing that. Do y'all see that? Nah, I'm pissed off now that I broke the freaking thing. The logo moves, and I broke the case, so I can't return it now, you freaking idiot. Damn it! Oh man, that sucks. We got a faulty G-Shock. Shit. Alright, frig it. Let's just forget the fact that it's broken where the logo is. The one part that people look at, although maybe the diamonds will be shining too much, they won't even care about that. That's how she looks, boys. Look at that thing right there. Oh my god, this is the cheapest real Bustdown watch you're gonna get. That's a fact. What a beaut. So let's diamond test real quick. I don't really have much to talk about in this video. I just really wanted to unbox this. So we might just kind of chill out in this one. Also, I put out a video yesterday of like a Q&A. I know Q&A videos never get views, but I wanted to do it because I haven't done it in 3 years. So if you guys didn't check that out, go check it out, man. It's like, I tell you guys how much my net worth is, you know, like my body count. I tell you guys everything. What happened with me and Selena Gomez, the works. So let's test this thing right now. That didn't just happen. She passed the freaking diamond tester, boys. This thing right here, now I'm not saying it's gonna work for everyone. Damn, Bran, you gotta chill out a little bit. I'm not saying it's gonna work for everyone. Damn. Whew. Sorry, I had a bunch of cups of coffee. I'm on a few freaking liquors right now. Let's go. It's also, I'm not gonna lie, it's like still early in the morning, you know, like my girlfriend hasn't slept yet, she's gaming upstairs, so like, you know, it's like maybe like 6 or 7, or like freaking 5 in the morning right now, I don't know. Dude, let's go. This Diamond G-Shock passed the diamond tester, it's a win. Ah, fuck. I hit my finger. Also I'm blazed up, but this is okay. This is okay. This is awesome. This is great. I like this a lot. I think it's dope. Now when those freaking assholes that come in the mall like, yo, let me diamond test your jewelry with one of these things, I'm gonna be cool about it. I'm gonna be like, alright, diamond test it. It's gonna pass, bitch. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. There's just a little quick pickup I need to show you guys because I feel like a lot of people are gonna be like down with this one. 100%. It's real. It's real. Regardless if the diamonds are fake, man, it's real. You know what I mean? That's sick. That's sick. Appreciate y'all for watching. Work the game, greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Bye. Wow. Good.